Okay, good morning, brothers and sisters. Kim Samples out here. Finally got the staggered block driveway finished. So I want to show it to you. This is coming from the alley. I made a kind of a line up drive here. So I'm going to open the gate. This is the gate I'm working on. I'm still working on the fence. So give me a little more time on the fence because I spent so much time on this staggered block driveway. Anyway, stepping up here, you can see the driveway from here all the way to the front of the house to the gate up front. And then I planted some mondo grass or some kind of grass. I don't know what kind it is. Ordered it online, got it. So anyway, for that over there. Then I want to show you how I did the edging. Focus in right down here. I took some of the sucker rod and welded it down here. This gate that's on here that you see is to protect this area from the dogs digging up in it until it gets going good. Anyway, here's the, I put black Tejas rock in between, and of course when it's wet, it's very black. I'm going to put some concrete sealer on it so that it'll be shiny most of the time. I think that'll help it. It's kind of a chalky looking and still got a little dirt on it. The gaps in between here are 4.5 to 5 inches depending on how it's staggered as I go forward. The blocks are 24 by 18. There's about a 3-inch gap, 3.5-inch gap in between. And so let's walk this way. The black Tejas, I just got through putting it all in just a little while ago, or the last little bit of the Tejas. Anyway, and we go clear up here past the kitchen remodel that we're still working on. So this is a project that's actually been completed. Still working on the fence. Got to finish the fence. Coming all the way up here. I filled in a little bit extra over here for the trash cans. So this is a little bit different stagger here. And then clear up here to the front. And because this house is 60 years old, I went ahead and there's a copper line right here, and I put a new copper line in underneath these blocks back to the house, to the hot water heater, for in case in the future the water line ever leaks, I can go straight out to the water meter, hook it up, and get right to the hot water heater. So I did a little extra trench here, and then step over here, I'll show you the little mixer that I use to mix all this concrete. This is a Montgomery Ward's little orange mixer here. It's done a good job. Okay, and then, what was I going to say? Anyway, we use that. Finishing up here. Oh, I know how much I used. I used approximately 400 sacks of 60-pound concrete mix. And the reason I did this a little pour at a time, because I could mold it, I could put the forms in little by little and pour what I wanted to pour each day. The driveway and the sidewalk are complete. Let's walk back over it and look at it one more time. And this job is finished. The staggered block concrete driveway and sidewalk. And there's enough room to park 2 cars back here, or a truck and a car or whatever. I had the truck back here a little bit. And later on I'll come back and put a cover over it after we finish the fence. So anyway, if you want to do a project like this, it's definitely a lot of work, but it turned out real nice. Okay, so we finished up the staggered concrete driveway sidewalk. Turned out very good. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And in the meantime, I'm going to get back on the fence, and hopefully in the next 3 or 4 months I'll be able to finish the fence and give you some updates on that. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus, and stay tuned for the next video.